Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to trade on Robinhood. So it's pretty simple. So all you need to do is the tools you need to invest on. So you're going to have why you should think of investing, and then of course the coin that you're going to buy, or if you're into crypto, yeah, the coin. But if you're into stocks, you're just going to try to get the actual symbol. So we're going to use stocks for an example right here. So let's just go ahead and check it out. So you'll have to deposit money into your account first. So let's just gonna say 10. You can also do instant deposit, which is gonna instantly deposit it into your account up to $1,000. From there, once it's initialized, there's also gonna be a wait time if you don't have the actual instant deposit initiated, basically. So next is you're gonna have to search for your actual coin, or you're gonna search for your symbol if you know. So we're gonna use Vanguard S&P 500 for an example right here, and then you're gonna check the chart. So of course you're gonna do your own research on how you're gonna strategize on buying your own actual stock or crypto. So once you have made your choice, you want to trade it right here, press buy. From there, you enter the $10 that you have initially deposited or how much you want. And then all you have to do is review the order, and you're going to see the shares purchased and the amount invested and the average price per share. So it's also going to be the same for crypto basically, and it's going to show you the amount that you bought using crypto. So there you go, guys. That's how you actually trade on Robinhood, and it's just that simple. So once you want to just cash out, you want to press sell, and it's going to be the same thing. Sell the actual stocks that you bought, and then you'll be on profit. But if you have lost money, then you have lost money. You want to cut your losses and many much more. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.